Hi, today I am with a very important topic on how to develop a healthy habits in our children early stage. As a parent, most of us are ready to sacrifice all our resources to make our kids' life healthy and better than ours all the time. I'm yet to meet a parent who doesn't love to see their kids doing better than them. One of the important duties of as a parent is to develop greater habits in our children's in early life so that it stays for lifelong. Here are the top tips and tricks to help your children develop healthy habits. We are in a highly competitive, interconnected knowledge era. This is making all of us, including our children, stressed out and burned out at the end of the day. Practicing yoga in early life will help develop strong physical and mental strength in our children. Meditation will help them to calm their nerves, and this will make whole family happy and healthy. Once you develop a habit of yoga and pranayama into your child's daily life, you can be rest assured your child's future is bright. Be a role model to your child. Kids never do what you ask them to do, but they do what you do. The most influencing role model for child is you. Children observe a lot and pay attention to everything happening around them. They give utmost attention to what people say and do in their presence. Kids will imitate their action to the perfection. For example, if you have a habit of lying on the phone, it is highly unlikely your kid will tell you the truth about what is happening in your school. They know the art of manipulation better than you as they mastered it from you. Becoming a role model need not be a difficult task always, but it demands an honest look at your own life and observations. When you are honest and know your limitation, child will understand and respond accordingly. Parents should evaluate some of the behaviors they try to make changes as and when it is needed. More important is be realistic about your expectation. There is no perfect way to be a great role model. Engage your child with a conversation and ask them to share something which they admire in you and life as a whole. Also ask them what they want to explore in life. As your child grows old, they prefer to be more independent as their horizon will increase. You need to accommodate them and be matured enough to understand the stage in life, then force your views on them. A common irritation among the parents and child: I know I am not a kid anymore. Don't try to teach me. It's important to make them understand not all the role models are reliable and teach them to have a healthy skepticism and be careful about what they associate and admire. Do not burden your child with too high expectation. Instead, help them to develop interest towards the goal, encourage them to go step by step with confidence. Often, children do not like to hear what they cannot do. So, encourage them with what they can do and they are good at. Praise them for small things to encourage and make the journey fun and positive. Help them to develop self confidence and positive image of themselves, which will help them to face any challenge in life. Have a limited access to modern gadgets. Our kids are growing in a different era than what we were. Your kid is a digital kid and love to spend more time on smartphone, TV, YouTube, etc. than going out and playing. There are so many distractions. Lack of exercise and too much of watching electronic media leads to sedentary lifestyle where creativity takes backseat. This will influence an unhealthy food and snacking habit which may lead to a frequent friction between you and your child. It may also lead many long-term health conditions like obesity, instant gratification, attention disorder, and many more problems. As they say, everything needs to be in the right dose. Limit the screen time to 1 to 2 hours a daily and avoid health issues. Engage your child with the family activities that will help develop greater bonding with you. Activities like playing carom, chess, shuttlecock, or telling story. Daily spend at least an hour of good family time which child cherish for a long time. Develop a passion in your child. Every soul is on a journey and they have a larger purpose in life. As a parent, it's your duty to help find their passion early and be a strong pillar to pursue their passion. Be a moderator and not a dictator. Child will lose passion if you do so. Let your child explore and experiment with different things and settle down to the things that they really love. Keep an eye on the activities. If they are not enjoying the activity, it's time you allow them to do what they love to do. Help your child to understand how each activity is summing up to a larger cause. Teach them have a patience and work hard and stay long. Important thing is make every journey interesting than winning every time. They will be able to find a solution to every challenge on the way if they are excited about the journey along with the end result. Quick reward helps and motivates. Establish a reward and recognition practice at home as it encourages and develops a competitive mindset. Also, it helps in managing activities timely and bring behavioral change and a competitive mindset and spirit. Take a little caution while setting a reward. It should not become a bribe for an activity to be completed. Rather, it should sound positive and motivated to achieve the result than compulsion or a greed. A common mistake we do as a parent is offering some gadgets or a pre-cooked food or a candy which may hurt the health of a kid. Rather, celebrate and reward a good behavior in such a way where child learns new things and challenges its ability. Maybe going for a trek, allowing them to go out with friends, taking out for a movie, many other creative activities can engage them and motivate them. Life is all about enjoying every small thing comes on our way. It is easy to accomplish small things in a systematic way than chasing a big dream with a high expectation. So rewards will help them to chase the dream. Dinner time is a family time. When families sit all together and have a dinner, children develops a greater sense of bonding and healthy eating habits get developed. In our Indian culture, we always grow up in a larger family and ate all together, whether it's a breakfast, lunch or dinner. Maintaining a regular meal time will help your kid to be more disciplined. They develop a positive attitude towards the food and people behind the food. Help them understand the importance of going to college or school with a healthy breakfast as it increases the energy level and reduces the chance of long term health issue. Try to have a right balance between the taste and healthy. Child will lose interest if you focus too much on healthy but not tasty. It has to be balanced. Another important aspect is develop reading skills. Reading skills are essential component of child success at different stage of life. Children love reading books which are out of their syllabus. Help them to develop a habit of reading book and by bringing a good books at home. When you start reading, they will take interest in reading. Many successful parents read storybooks to their children when they are young. It is recommended to have a reading habit before going to bed. Even some parents read bedtime stories when the childs are very young. In simple words, developing a good habit like reading or listening to good music and yoga plays an important role in shaping the child's future. Agriculture has many of these things, what I have mentioned already, imbibed in their daily practice. But unfortunately, the current generation is living in a very highly stressed environment where they are not able to implement all those best practices which is coming from years. I'm sure most of you already have some good practices which is giving you best result. I would like to know what other things which you think can be added to this list for the benefit of younger generation. Let me know your thoughts through comment. Appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.